Hello there. Welcome. In this video, you will learn about how to prepare AZ-900 Azure Fundamentals exam. If you are interested in taking the AZ-900 fundamental exams, or if you are still unsure if this exam will benefit your career, then this video is for you. About AZ-900 Fundamentals exam. You've probably heard of Microsoft Azure in recent years. It has made it to the top of Microsoft's fastest growing platforms. The AZ-900 certification will serve as confirmation that you have a basic understanding of the cloud concepts, Azure services, Azure workloads, security and privacy in Azure, as well as Azure pricing and support. Prerequisites. This examination is for individuals who are new to Azure and or interested in working with cloud-based solutions and services. For anyone who has prior experiences with Azure services, this is an ideal opportunity to demonstrate your understanding of key Azure principles such as multiple services, pricing, security, administration, and support. But before enrolling for this examination, you should be familiar with the general technology concepts, including concepts of networking, storage, computing, application support, and application development. Even though Azure Fundamentals is not a requirement for other Azure role-based or specialty certifications, it will benefit you a lot if you choose to pursue it. Target audience. This exam is not classified as being only for professionals with technical backgrounds. This exam is open to candidates with non-technical backgrounds as well. Microsoft Azure Fundamentals training is appropriate for a variety of job categories like System Administrator, Network Administrator, Developers, Cloud Architects, AI Engineer, Data Analyst, Data Engineer, Data Scientist, Database Administrator, Security Engineer. Exam details. It is a misconception that because it is merely a fundamental exam, it would be easy. This exam assesses your knowledge of cloud ideas and Azure administrations at a fundamental level. As stated at the beginning of this video, this primarily concentrates on the core ideas of cloud-based services in relation to Azure. The exam consists of approximately 40 to 60 multiple choice questions, and you will be given 85 minutes to complete them all. You must score at least 70%, 700 marks out of 1000 to receive a certification. Syllabus. The topics covered in the exam, together with their percentage coverage, are listed here. Describe cloud concepts, 15 to 20%. This topic explains the differences between public, private, and hybrid clouds, as well as the many cloud-based services available. Describe core Azure services, 30 to 35%. This portion has the highest weightage. As the name implies, you need to prepare the fundamental building blocks of Azure's core architectural ideas, such as regions, resource groups, and availability zones. Azure Computation Services, Azure Storage Services, On-Premises Network to Azure Virtual Network Integration, Virtual Networks, Subnets, Traffic Filtering, and other Azure services will be covered. Describe security, privacy, compliance, and trust, 25 to 30%. Network security groups, NSG, firewalls, and key vaults are all security building pieces in Azure. Role-based access control, RBAC, Azure Active Directory, and multi-factor authentication can all be used to manage access to all Azure resources, MFA. You learn about Azure Monitor and Service Health, Trust Center, Compliance Manager, and terms like ISO, GDPR, identity protection policies, Azure data security, and more in this part. Not only that, but Azure Government is a physically separated Azure instance designed to meet compliance and security standards for US government workloads. In 2018, Azure announced Azure Germany to comply with German data privacy laws and regulations.